So these Ohaus Rangers are also known as the RC31. Usually when they come out of the box, you'll get default unit is pounds. So let's say if you go into the menu and you changed the power up unit to be in grams, and then you exit the menu, when you turn this off and turn it back on, it will now power up in grams, not in pounds. But when you go to adjust the calibration, pick yes, and you pick this, it asks for pounds. Even though it powers up in grams, it asks to adjust the calibration in pounds. So at this point, I would have the exit. I'll turn it off, turn it back on. So when your scale comes in brand new, or even if there's a scale out there that, yeah, it weighs in grams, but it calibrates in pounds. So basically you have to go to setup, reset your setup, right? Then you're going to exit. Exit. So now when you shut it off, turn it back on, it'll be back to the default coming on in pounds. Now before you go back in to change your units, you want to change this change the units to grams. Once you change the unit to grams, as soon as it comes out of the box, or if you're running into this in the field, change this to grams first, then go into menu, go into setup, power up units, you're gonna go yes. See, it's automatic. You're gonna change that by pressing the no key to grams or kilos, whichever one you want to choose to adjust in. And once you do that, you're gonna press yes. And then I'll just shut it off. So now, when you turn it back on, you hold down your menu to go into cal, and you press yes, span. Now it asks for grams, well, kilos, but that's how it shows. But at least if you're in grams, it's not asking you for pounds, even though you're weighing in grams. Press yes, 30, I'm gonna do 10, apply the weight, press yes, and bounces right out to weighing mode. And that's pretty much how you adjust the calibration and change the unit of calibration adjustment.